Hi, I'm Curtis Johnson, the head men's and women's track and field coach. I am here to share some exciting news with our Bobcat community. As part of a larger effort to update the Russell Street Field Complex, we have officially kicked off the fundraising for a new scoreboard at the Russell Street Track and Field Complex. The scoreboard will allow us to display finish times and performances in real time, creating an improved meet day atmosphere. This upgrade, coupled with the newly resurfaced track completed in the summer of 2022, will create a modern competition facility fitting for the success and history of our programs. The scoreboard will be named in honor of Al Fereshetian, the former men's cross country and track and field head coach, who made innumerable contributions in his 26 years of service to the college. This is all made possible through the generous lead gift from former co-captain Jeff Snyder, class of 2000. His gift will serve as a challenge, matching all contributions to the project dollar for dollar up to $75,000. All gifts, no matter the size, will make a direct impact on the student-athlete's experience for our program. Like so many times before, we are asking our team to band together to achieve excellence.